G'day guys, welcome back. So diving into episode number 11 of Parasite, the blue bird. So what? I've got no clue. Is Parasite's taking over birds now? I don't know. So last week was episode, don't be silly. Parasites can't take over birds. Although birds do have parasites in them, that's why you shouldn't eat them raw. But I don't know what I'm talking about. What the hell? Last week was a what mad universe. I can identify with that. I'm feeling a little bit mad myself today. So last week we saw Hideo get killed by Shinichi. I am referring to my notes. He batted up. Well, he struck him out. He baseball references. I don't watch baseball. We don't have baseball here in Australia, but it was not as popular as in the States anyway. I have played baseball, but I don't know all the references. But he struck him out right through the chest, killed him dead. So he's out now. How's that for a recap? Let's dive into the next episode about bluebirds and parasites and stuff. Oh, I need another cup of coffee. Are you still here? Thank you. You're very trusting. So let's just dive into... I'm just doing stuff. So let's dive into the episode. So I know timer-based reaction for my Patreon people. When you can see the link down below, I have exclusive and early release content and all my other socials also down in links down below in the description box. Come over and hit one and say hi. Okay, everything's recording. That's really a good start. I'm doing well. What day is it? It's Friday. Heck. I'm usually a little shaky on Monday mornings. I've got no excuses today. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't have a parasite. Okay, here's a parasite. You can tell by the eyes. You're so handsome and dependable. The pulling the hair thing, if it wriggles, it's going to wriggle. It's wriggling. You know, it's a parasite. But the public don't know this, right? I mean, they don't know, right? Uh-oh. You greet each other, pull hair out. If it wriggles, you know that you're in the company of a parasite. But do the public know that they kept it quiet? They didn't say parasites are around, right? Oh. She doesn't like cured meats. Holy crap. Anyway, going back to my point, I said in the last episode, if you pull the hair out, they discovered that if you pull the hair out, it's still like a sentient being, so it's going to move around on its own for a little bit before dying. And that's a really great way of figuring out if somebody's a parasite. But they still didn't want to cause a panic, so they didn't say anything about aliens or parasites or like murderous, crazy people running around. So you pull the hair out as just a bit of a fad. So when the person does that and the hair's wriggling, what are they to think? They don't know what's happening. They're like, well, that's weird. Right? They don't know what to do with that knowledge. They just think it's strange. They don't automatically think, oh, you're an alien and you're a parasite and you're going to kill me. Although that just happened. Plot hole. Is it a plot hole or is it explained more in the manga? I have the mangas. They're down there behind me. But I can't read the mangas right now because I've got to do a reaction to the show and be surprised. And for God's sake, no spoilers. Although I am recording this way in advance before you see it. So I'm probably finished by now at this point. How many episodes are there? Oh, 12 to go. 12 to go. I'm halfway through. Sigh. I'm really invested in this anime. It's quite very good. Oh, I'm having some kind of a nightmare right now. Or a vision. Oh, shit. This is the girl that can sense parasites. Oh, we got a white knight. What up with the horse? What is going on? Wow. Shinichi? This is so cool. My hero. A knight in shining armor. Look at this guy. Oh wow, it was the arm. Oh Jesus. It's guts. Oh, she in love. She in love. Yep. Oh, we've all been there. So how can the bluebird? So how can she sense the when somebody's got a parasite? Dangerous wavelengths. Oh, can't talk. Dangerous wavelengths. I could say it. Wavelengths. Wavelengths. I'll stop. But it won't wiggle because it's only in his arm. I'm still confused. Are they looking for a sign that the person's a parasite? Well, she knows because she's dreaming about him. Why so serious? This girl's special. He'll kill her on the spot. Kana. Kana. Kana? Kana? Nande. You might run into a monster. That's good advice. Nope, not normal. No, you're lying. You will get killed. Are they still gonna have an affair? Well, I don't want you to die, jeez. Shinichi. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Morano. She's jealous. Then you're giving her hints. Stop it. Oh, she's sweating. Whoops, nearly spat water out. Has this ferocity about him. He's a manly man. If you have anything to do with it, yeah, she working that angle. Try to blend in. It's a man mountain. Are you kidding? Very belligerent. Oh. Take a nap, buddy. The Terminator is here. Jesus Christ, he just needs the sunnies. So he's a muscle-bound giant and he's also a parasite? Or is he just a very insanely strong person? Because his eyes are shut. I can't tell if he's got a parasite. Well, then I know they're not shut, but he hasn't got the typical dead eye look. Holy fuck. He's doing it with a smile on his face. He hasn't done any Parasite stuff. What's the matter? Come at me? Oh. Yeah, there you go. Holy fuck. Jesus. No way. He has a sword in his head. Fuck. An experiment? Okay. You went pretty far. Why are you here? An experiment. They want to see how far they can go in a combative situation. After him? How did the big fella get away like that? Oh. Oh, fuck. Lunch? Oh, he changed into him. Right? Morphed his face. Fuck. That was cool. There's the dead eyes I was talking about. A yakuza office. You're not kidding. Yes. That was an experiment. Pushing the boundaries. Why though? 22 gang members dead. Boss. They have a boss. They're forming a gang. What are they going to watch? Blood Will Be Defeated? Sakado 2D? She wants to see the bloody one. What a girl. It's not a good way of putting it. Miji was the friend. I still love you. Hassan. Let's go. Baby catfish? Oh, not another puppy. Oh, fuck. Oh, the mummy dog. Don't fucking throw it in the bin, for God's sake. Oh, don't be mean to your mom. Naughty little kid. I hate you, mummy. Dude. You having flashbacks? Trauma. Ugh, got me in the heart. It's having an attack. Yeah, your mum put it there. They're still teenagers, right? They're holding hands, guys. There's love here. Oh. But Kana, she's running. They're gonna have a kid. Oh, my heart. Stop it. Look. Oh, no. Oh, it's complicated. It's a triangle. Oh, she's still sad. Oh, she's still questioning. Kind of, sort of. And she knows. Oh, tears. She has a doubt. She doubts him. Crikey. Oh, she's dreaming about him. What? Is she calling him? Who is she calling? Kana. She'd be like, kiss me. I need to know something. Uh-oh. 3 of them. Oh, the guys. 5. Politicians? They're going to work their way into government? There you go. Oh, gotcha. Oh, great shot. That's awesome. Singled him out. Yes. So a big group of them working together. Running for mayor. Yeah, remember? You dummy? Slipped his mind. This isn't good. They're working their way up into higher levels of government. They want to take over the world. Infiltration, just like the lizard people. I don't believe in lizard people. I don't believe in Hollow Earth. I don't believe that Flat Earth is a thing. Did the Flat Earth people and the Hollow Earth people get along? I don't think they would. They contradict each other, right? There's a lot of conspiracy theories out there. But parasites are real. This show's based on fact. Didn't you know? It's a documentary. I'm waffling again, I'm sorry. My brain sometimes disengages from my mouth and words come out. I've got no control over it. Maybe I do have a midgie. If I could do special effects, I'd put one in, but I can't. Izumi, the Izumi residence. There he is, back when he was sweet and innocent and needed glasses. Next time on Parasite. Got nothing from that. Stage 12? Kokoro? Don't know. Okay, so this one was about having a bit of a connection between Morano and Shinichi, kind of repairing their relationship. She still doesn't really know who he is. She knows something's wrong, something's off. He's completely different to the guy that she fell in love with initially, but just showing them bonding and still kind of moving forward with their relationship was nice. And throwing Kana in there is an interesting love triangle. She's going to do everything in her power to get him, but she has that ability, so she is going to be important to the plot. I mean, she can sense stuff, right? And I really did love her dream at the beginning with him as a white knight. That was sick. That was so good. What a great entry. It was fantastic. And then also we had the Parasites teaming up, running for mayor, and that experiment they did when they sent in the Terminator Parasite to kill all the yakuza as an experiment to see how far they could get. That was an amazing scene as well. Very cool. So I'm about to dive into episode number 12 of Kokoro right now and see what happens. And I'm officially at the halfway point for Parasite. The show is very good. I do like it. So please, I think I've mentioned it in previous reactions. Leave some recommendations down below, especially if you're a patron, about what you want to see next. I want to see more horror. I love it. Okay, I'm done. Don't forget to check out all my links down below, including my Patreon and all my socials just down below. So click a link and say hi. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.